Today we are going to see psychologically how companies are marketing their products. You can see here it is 200 rupees. They have striked it and they have made 140 rupees, and you can see special offer of 60 rupees. Now we can open this and we can see the packaging. Here it is a 50 ml package. Companies usually increase the prices of the product, but in a due course of time, people will start comparing the old price, the old size. So, company what they will do, they will keep this type of packaging, hollow packaging. Psychologically, people cannot measure the amount by looking the package. This a hollow space is available. So this is one type of packaging, psychological packaging, what companies do to sell their products.